Welcome to Diamond Protec's nanodiamond composite coatings. Our coatings are ecologically cleaner, more user-friendly, and interact minimally with natural and chemical elements. You have selected Diamond Glass Prep, an ideal glass surface cleanser that uses nanodiamond cleaning power to remove dirt, streaks, and oily residue from glass surfaces. This will allow an optimal bonding for our nanodiamond protective coating, Diamond Glass. Diamond Glass Prep has a very simple application. Work out of direct sunlight on cool glass. Spray onto the glass surface and wipe the surface clean. Flip the towel over and dry off the surface. Your surface is now ready for Diamond Glass coating. Mastering the mixing of enriched nanodiamonds for over 7 years, Diamond Protech has created evenly distributed diamond-armored elastic coating with inherent hydrophobic characteristics, offering cars a revolutionary new coating option. It's heat-resistant, UV-resistant, water-repellent, and provides the highest surface hardness and abrasion resistance that technology can offer. It also resists corrosion because it's inorganic, thereby having a slower erosion time than any other competitive product. This is the new generation of car protection, exterior and interior. For full step-by-step instructions on how to apply Diamond Glass Prep, click the link below.